Hi, welcome to NetTutor. If this is your first time, we're glad you're here. If you're a returning user, welcome back. Let's take a quick tour of just how you use the tools and services inside NetTutor. This is your dashboard. It's where all the action happens. Now, if you're here to meet with a live tutor, just click here and you'll be on your way. And if you're wondering just when tutoring might be available for your particular subject, you'll find that right here. Now let's say you don't have time to talk to a tutor right now. Just ask a tutor a question here and pick up the answer later. Now maybe you're here to drop off a paper you've been working on to get it reviewed. Dropping off a paper is a simple process. Just give us a little information, upload your paper, and sit back as our world-class reviewers do the rest. Now when you're using NetTutor, you're going to be doing lots of great stuff. Interacting with great tutors, getting papers reviewed, and asking questions. NetTutor keeps all of your activities here in your locker. Take a look at recordings of your previous tutoring sessions, grab one of your reviewed papers, and check out the answers to the questions you've left for a tutor. The locker is your space for all your great NetTutor stuff. So that's NetTutor in a nutshell. I hope you found this quick tour helpful. And remember, we're here whenever you need us.